Most people are only one emergency away from financial disaster. In fact, nearly 1 in 4 people have no emergency savings at all, according to a 2024 Bankrate report. Even more shocking? The median savings account balance is just $5,300, not even 2 months' rent in many cities. But what if I told you that changing your financial future doesn't require a huge salary or winning the lottery? Stick around to learn how. Let's start with a simple truth. $5 a day doesn't feel like much. That's just a coffee or a sandwich, right? But if you saved $5 a day and invested it into a low-cost index fund with an average return of 7%, you'd have over $180,000 in 30 years. Now that might not sound like life-changing money over 3 decades, but what's important isn't the amount, it's the habit. Micro savings build momentum. They create a foundation for wealth that grows silently, like interest on interest. Start with automatic transfers. Even $10 every week adds up. You won't notice it missing, but your future self will thank you. This next one might not be popular. Stop spending to impress people. Instead, signal wealth by saving. Researchers from the University of Pennsylvania showed that people now associate minimalism with higher status. That means you don't need to show off with luxury items. In fact, being frugal can actually signal intelligence, discipline, and success. So instead of chasing the latest phone or branded clothes, reframe saving as a power move. Build a silent fortune while others chase appearances. Minimalist living is not just practical, it's respected. Want to save more without even trying? Let's talk about choice architecture. This idea comes from behavioral economics, popularized by Nobel Prize winner Richard Thaler. By simply changing the default settings in your environment, you can make saving the easy choice. For example, set up your automatic transfers, so a percentage goes straight to a savings account you can't touch easily. Use micro-investing apps that round up your purchases and save the difference. Keep your main spending account at a different bank from your savings account, so withdrawals aren't instant. Thaler's research also found that using automated default savings increased contribution rates by over 26%. It's not about willpower. It's about designing your life to make saving effortless. So why aren't you already automating your savings? So here's the bottom line. Most people are stuck not because they can't save, but because they were never taught how small steps lead to big change. But it's okay, because small steps is all it takes. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it is built. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. These behaviors are only a small number of the small daily habits that you can utilize to grow your wealth. If you want to learn about the small daily habits that the rich people use to build their wealth, check out this video right here.